Hi, in this video, we will compare Mangools and Ahrefs. Mangools is a set of easy-to-use search engine optimization tools for freelancers, bloggers, affiliate marketers, small to medium enterprises, SEO and marketing agencies. Its key features, like keyword research, competitor analysis, SERP analysis, and others, help extract key data from all tools. Keyword Finder is the primary Mangools tool and the most used. It provides metrics on rankings, search volume, CPC, PPC, keyword difficulty, and more. The Search Engine Results Page Checker tool shows the results that a searcher will see for a particular keyword. Also, it examines how you would rank for the same keyword suggestions. Search Engine Results Page Watcher is a Mangools rank tracking tool. It monitors your search engine results page ranking for the given keywords. This tool provides information on your rank, how the keyword is trending, estimated traffic, search volume, and other performance indexes. Mangools Link Miner tool allows for backlink analysis of your page and your competitors and identification of link building opportunities. It provides site profiler backlink results, pointing to the domain or URL that you enter. Site Profiler provides an SEO profile of a website based on its popularity on Facebook and backlink strength. It offers extra insight, such as the top content of a competitor's website, which can help generate ideas for your site. Mangools offers a free plan forever, and paid plans start at $19 per month. On the other hand, Ahrefs is one of the biggest names in the search engine optimization space, and it stands out for its advanced keyword explorer, competitor analysis, technical SEO and site audits, keyword tracking, content analyses, and backlink tracking and audits. The Ahrefs dashboard provides a centralized hub for all your SEO data and analysis. It offers a comprehensive overview of your website's performance. Ahrefs Site Explorer tool enables users to take a deep dive into the search traffic and backlinks of any website using its URL alone. Ahrefs offers the Keyword Explorer. On its keyword research dashboard, users can look up keywords, see traffic volumes, search difficulty estimates, view related keywords, and uniquely get potential traffic insights. The Site Audit tool is an automatic tool that scans your website for SEO errors and provides a detailed report on the state of your website. Ahrefs Rank Tracker enables you to monitor your rankings for specific keywords and easily chart your performance. The Content Explorer tool helps users discover content ideas and link opportunities. It enables users to find top-performing content in their space. Ahrefs provides a 7-day free trial, and paid plans start at $99 per month. If you want to use both Mangools and Ahrefs for free, then click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching our video.